here we go, maiden voyage, rocket machinery, stump grinder. Let's see how it gets on. This is quite a hard stump. It's a purple plum and it's like bell metal. See, with the bags contains the waste, so you can either take it away or put it back in the hole. But yeah, I think it's done a good job. That's probably about 10 inches below, so they're only going to mend the lawn. Rock machinery, stump grinder. So that's the first stump grinding job complete. What do I think of the rock machinery stump grinder? I think it's good, because that stump was, the tree was a plum tree, and it's half of it was dead and half of it alive. 90 degrees, remember that. If you remember that with a stump grinder, you won't go wrong. So the edge of the stump, where the stump goes flat and the edge rim comes off on a 90 degree angle, yeah? If you're always grinding that bit like that, the stump grinder will work well. Put the stump grinder on top of the stump and try and grind it, and that will happen. You'll just dance about up there, and you just be slacking the machine off. Oh shit, this crap doesn't work, terrible. Even the big hydraulic machine can do the same, they just bounce around on the top of the stump. If you grind the front off the stump all the time and have a face, create a face, and then follow that face down, and then keep going back up to that 90 degree angle, cutting it, you'll know what I mean if you do it. And then you just work down the face, move it along, work down the face, so you're cutting the face of the stump, you're not cutting on top of the stump. But yeah, back to the rock machinery stump grinder, it is good. I can see it being hard work on uneven surfaces and rough ground, because obviously it's a manual stump grinder. You've got a brake on one wheel, so then when you're pushing the head around, only one wheel's moving, the other one's staying still. So it gives you that arc effect when you're grinding. I was grinding there on a flat piece of lawn, so it was easy. If it wasn't lawn, if it was, I don't know, like sort of border, say for instance, a soft soil border, I can imagine it being difficult. But what I would say is, I'll give you a tip now. If you're going to be grinding with a pedestrian stump grinder on a border where the soil's soft and the wheels dig in, take with you an old piece of plywood, put that on the floor in front of the stump, and get your wheels of the machine onto it. Then it creates a flat surface. Then all you've got to do is keep moving the machine back a bit, clearing away the debris out the way of the wheels, and then start again. As long as them wheels are on a flat surface, it'll be easy to use. Because it is heavy. I think it's about 135 kilos. And you sharp realise how heavy it is when you start trying to push it around in soil. It just doesn't happen. It creates ruts, and it sits in them ruts, and you can grind that bit of the stump, and then you can't push it forward. Too heavy to get out of the rut. So you must have a board or something flat